Here at the IST UV-Days, as I have mentioned a couple of times, you have the opportunity to meet a lot of people. And I think I got a new friend here, Remko, DG Press. We're going to talk because you do a lot of quite exciting things, right?
Yes.
So let's say you have servicing, you have security print, you have packaging print.
Packaging print, labels printing also.
Labels printing. And when I look at, you are at a booth here, the security thing is one very specific area, of course. On this area, you started was in 2000 and...
We started in 2009 and we come from the company Remko Koolbergen.
Okay, yeah, that was what you said, yeah. So tell us a little bit about your company, because you have like at least 3 divisions, right? Let me hear a little bit about them.
Yeah, well, we started in 2009, as said, and we first started a service and spare parts company on the existing Remko Koolbergen equipment. Somewhere in 2010, we also started with used refurbished machines, also a strong point of us. And then in 2013, we designed a new machine. So we do service spare parts, we do refurbished machines, and we sell two types of new machines. That's the DG Vision, especially for security market and the pharma market, and the DG AUXO, which you see in an example over here, which is especially for flexible packaging and label.
I was thinking about the security print. Is it so secret that you can't tell about it?
It's not that secret. It's not intaglio printing, so most of the time it's not currency printing, but it's also about certificates, all those kind of things, stamps. Those are printed on our machines. And we sell to government printing houses, like in South Africa, like in Spain, Portugal, Tunisia. A lot of state printers use our vision machines.
And what is a security printer? What is the biggest difference from? I mean, you said it printed in sheet fed offset, basically, right?
Yeah, we always start from roll, but we can deliver in roll to roll, roll to sheet, or roll to fold. And of course, our machines, our vision machines, are always hybrid presses. So it's with offset, but for sure it comes with flexo or rotogravure or digital, or you name it, and we can integrate it.
So that is the key thing, is basically you have a one inline solution for all the kind of tricks you need for security print, basically.
Exactly, yes. And that's the same with flexible packaging and label printing. There's also, our core business is offset. We know everything about offset and web tension. But we can integrate, or we do integrate flexo or rotogravure, or even also digital in this kind of presses.
This market, is it a growing market or is it a stable market?
No, it's the security market is more or less stable, you can say. For pharma, for us, it's growing. Flexible packaging and labels is certainly growing because of all kinds of sustainability issues the current flexo and rotogravure printers are facing. Offset is the most sustainable printing process in the world.
And you use sleeves for that, you said, right?
Yeah.
Which is unique because you can have very fast changeovers.
Yeah, you can have fast changeover. You can have a size changeover of 7-color press within 9 minutes, and you change over a sleeve. This is a plate sleeve, and you change over the blanket sleeve, and you can run again. So it's quite fast.
And when you address a market like this, I mean, it is. I mean, you're not alone in the market, so of course you have some competition. So what are the main KPIs to work with a DG press?
The main KPIs is the modularity. One of our competitions is a company from Spain, and they use a CI offset machine. Quite a good principle, but not modular. Okay. Our machine is modular, so you can easily go from a 6-color or a 7-color machine to an 8-color, or extend with an extra rotogravure unit if needed for your application. So the modularity is the biggest change. And of course, you should remember we were always an offset house. Our core, we think offset. And that's the main difference, I think. Yeah.
And we are here at the IST UV-Days. You said that is your first time you're here. A little early to ask about the output, but your colleagues were here yesterday. What was their impression from yesterday?
Well, it was very crowded and good day yesterday. We had a lot of booth audience over here. And yeah, we are looking forward also to today. I saw already a lot of people running around. So yeah, we expect a lot from it.
And being together here with IST, is IST a partner to you, or?
It's not, I would not say a partner, it's not a fixed partner, but you can say that in 90% of our presses we sell IST equipment.
So a good supplier.
It's a very good supplier, very reliable supplier.
And good products as well? I mean, they fit your technology fine, or?
They fit fine. They do a lot of R&D. They're also going into letter UV, which is now coming up again. And yeah, it's a good partner for us to talk with, and engineering is very close.
And the expectations to participate in a I mean, I don't know if we can call it, it's too big for an open house, it's too small for an exhibition, so something in between, right? Yeah. So what is your expectations from here?
Well, my expectation is that we get a lot of interest, and that we are here to show that we are here to deliver new machines, that we are here to deliver service, and that we are a partner of IST. And yeah, we have, I would call it an open house. Also, we have an open house at the end of this year in our facility with some new presses. So yeah, that's what I expect, a lot of traffic.
And of course I need to ask you one more thing, and that is, of course, we have to talk just a few minutes, about the servicing part. I mean, I take there's always a need for service, right? Yep. But that's also a competitive market, isn't it?
Not that much, because we deliver to service and spare parts only for our own equipment.
Ah, okay, so that is not to general.
No, it's not general.
So it's servicing your own customers.
Own customers.
Okay, I understood that. I thought it was like general. So if I had like whatever machine, I could come to you, but that's not the case.
You can come, and of course, offset is offset printing, and we can do something on another press, but that's not our main or core competence. Okay. We only want to service our own equipment.
So just sell some more of the machines, you will get more work on the service part as well, right?
That's indeed why we started in 2013 to sell new machines. And we had a service company, but you should extend the life of your service company. And yeah,
fantastic.
That's the reason.
Remko?
Okay, thank you.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah.